This is the Sea Ray 310 SLX outboard. Let's go on board and take a look, see how incredible this boat is. She's powered with twin V8 300 Verado engines, large aft seat, U-shaped seating in the cockpit, complete with day sink, refrigeration, twin guest helm seat, twin captain seat, twin 12-inch Simrad displays, large head compartment with vacuum flush toilet, and incredible bow seating. This 2020 310 SLX can be seen here at MarineMax Fort Myers. My name is JC Schwalbach. Come by and take a look. Have a good day.